Hey guys, what's up? So today we're about strategies 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first 2 weeks called CC Artwork, powered with iOS 13.0 to 14.4. Display your music is now playing album artwork in the control center module. Next is called Backrunner, not compatible with voice changer headsets, truly backgrounding your apps. So you have your apps in the background, even though like you know how you would be on them. You can still run them in the background even if you're not on the app. You also can lock your device and still have the apps running in the background. So this SE should be updated to support iOS 14. You can see as support for iOS 14.x, fits once didn't respect half a sleep flag, so supports iOS 14.x now. So what's iOS 13.0 and later it was tested on iOS 13.5, so it might not work on the lower iOS version, but it should work on iOS 13.0 or higher, or you need at least iOS 13.0 or later to install this. Next is called Insta Online Monitor. Get notified when an Instagram user is online, kind of like a stalking app. Next is called Online Down. Damn it. Auto rotate how it should be. You've never used orientation lock again. It's tweaked to current auto rotate, so you can rotate your device freely when lying down, related to your face. So you know, like you're laying down and then like automatically rotates. This should be able to fix that. Next is called Tweak Manager. Manage enabled or disabled tweets in bulk. So you can actually allow certain tweets, and not allow certain tweets to be injected with certain applications, just so some apps or some tweets might mess up other apps, or just also you can use this as a jailbreak bypass detection, depending on the app detection of a jailbreak. But it's not meant as one, but you can still use it as a jailbreak bypass detection method. I know it's Snapchat. Snapchat is it detects if you have any tweets injected with it. So you have this tweak and you have all the tweets. If you have this tweak on for Snapchat and have all the tweets disabled for to be injected with Snapchat, then you should not get banned on Snapchat. I use DLIB Manager or Choicey with Snapchat. I've never been banned ever since I disabled all the tweets injected with Snapchat. You can also copy, edit, and delete them, and of course enable them to disable your unelected tweets. In the future, you may even be able to share them. This is called CarBridge and allows you to open up any app in CarPlay with the exception of DRM enabled video streaming apps. This does work on iOS 13 and 14. You also have another CarBridge version for iOS 10, 11, and 12. And you also have the pull app where you can mirror your phone screen to CarPlay. Pretty cool. So just some fixes. Version 2.0 brought the full bridging compatibilities for iOS 13 and 14, which means now that allows you to actually have import apps, from your phone and have them on the your car dashboard for CarPlay, just like the iOS 10 to 12 feature had. Now iOS 13 and 14 also has that feature. Version 2.0.1 fits apps displaying properly on cars with right-hand drive, and then version 2.0.2 fits an issue where bridged app icons weren't shown in CarPlay. This is called Latest Unparalleled Keyboard Customization. This is called UTM, and so UTM is a full virtual machine host for iOS. This is called Taptic Keys, Taptic Feedback on Keyboard Presses. This is called Copic 2. The new Copic 2 is totally redesigned, optimized and built from the scratch. So all-in-one solution to have contact pictures everywhere on your iDevice. This is called App Store Plus. Lets you downgrade or upgrade apps in the App Store, block updates, bypass 200 megabyte down limit, disable search ads, and disable app thinning. Supports iOS 11.x up to 14.5. Recently removed. They fix a springboard issue with the black camera issue. Cleans my junk from the App Store and springboard preference files. Remove my dev certificate, and that may also cause an Odyssey jailbreak to hang. Thanks for the person, let me know. Pretty sure I fixed the camera problem and app hangs. Added option to reset App Store Plus preferences in the settings.app. Fix a crash when deleting apps within App Store Plus on iOS 14 and up. This is called CC Artwork. Displays the music that now playing artwork in your control center. This is called Lyrication. Even though it says Lyricizer. Lyrication. It's also iOS 13 and below. It's also just a Lyrication version. There's live lyrics for music, so you can sing along, to your songs with the lyrics. This is called vNode Bypass, an experimental tool to hide jailbreak files for bypass detection. It's just like current bypass. So literally, to me, they're like the same exact thing. Like they both do the same thing and work with the same apps, and they might be like a little different, I guess, but like they're basically really, really similar. This is called Slepnizer for Safari, iOS 9 2.14, convenient, faster browsing with gestures. This is called Fabric 2. Design your own lock screen for iOS 13 and 14. This is called OpenSSH. It's an open secure shell SSH server for secure access from remote machines. So, full implementation of the secure shell protocol specified by IETF session working group. So, SSH secure shell is a program for logging into a remote machine and for executing commands on a remote machine. This is called Translock. This week, a new clean look for your passcode screen. This is called Anywhere Widgets for iPad. Allow widgets to be on the home screen on the iPad. This is called Enchant. Enhance your notifications. This is called I Don't Know You. Use the tweak to pin, hide, secure, and block conversations like clockwork. This is called Bubble Apps. Float app buttons anywhere you want. This is called iWall. Compatible with iOS 13 and 14. This is called Spear version 2.0. Multitasking at its best. It allows you to run recent apps on top of others by creating little bubbles after an app launch on which you can tap to reveal the corresponding app in the form of an overlay that takes about 80% of your screen, helping you with your day-to-day productivity. This is called Etsnon. Easy to use file server, making it very easy to view and manage your iOS files from like your PC. This is called AllStore version 1.4. It's an app which allows third-party apps to automatically be resigned using a free Apple developer account before they expire.